The McLaren 720S isn't just a supercar, it's a statement, a masterpiece born from engineering obsession, racing heritage, and the pure Australian love for power, freedom, and the open road. This is the story of a machine designed to push boundaries, built not only for speed, but for the soul of the driver who dares to command it. To understand the 720S, you've got to go back to where it all began. McLaren's journey didn't start with luxury road cars, it began on the track. Decades of Formula One victories, aerodynamic breakthroughs, and relentless innovation shaped the mindset behind every McLaren creation. When McLaren decided to build the 720S, they didn't want to compete with other supercars, they wanted to redefine them entirely. In 2017, the world saw the unveiling of the McLaren 720S, a machine that instantly stunned critics and drivers alike. Australia, with its long highways, coastal roads, and love for high-performance vehicles, quickly became one of the markets where the 720S earned massive respect. Car enthusiasts down under praised it for one simple reason: it delivered everything it promised, and more. At the heart of the 720S lies a beast, a 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces an incredible 720 horsepower. That's where the name, 720S, comes from. With this power, the car rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.9 seconds. But raw power is only half the story. What truly sets the 720S apart is the way it delivers it. Smooth, responsive, controlled, as if the engine is reading your mind and reacting before you even press the accelerator. But the real magic of the 720S is in its design. Inspired by the marine world, especially the sleek and fluid form of a great white shark, the car's body flows with purpose. Everything you see has meaning. Every curve, every vent, every opening is crafted to guide air efficiently. The front headlights, shaped like teardrops, also function as air channels to cool the massive engine. The butterfly doors aren't just for show, they allow better access, improve aerodynamics, and create a sense of drama every time you step inside. Inside the cabin, you're greeted with something truly special. The interior of the McLaren 720S is a perfect blend of race-focused design and modern luxury. Sliding into the driver's seat feels like entering a jet cockpit. A carbon-fibre tub surrounds you, the same structure used in Formula One cars, giving you strength, safety, and unbelievable lightness. The seats are sculpted for performance driving, hugging your body in all the right places. A driver-focused digital display rotates depending on the driving mode. In comfort, it gives you full details like a luxury car. Switch to track mode, and the screen folds down into a slim racing-style strip showing only the essentials: speed, revs, and confidence. This feature alone shows exactly what McLaren wanted, a supercar that transforms itself depending on the driver's mood, just like the changing landscapes of Australia, from calm, wide-open highways to twisting mountain passes. On Australian roads, the 720S truly stands out. Whether you're cruising along the Great Ocean Road in Victoria, tearing through the wide stretches of the Nullarbor, or enjoying the city nightlife of Sydney, the car feels alive. It connects to the road with such precision that even at high speeds, it feels stable, smooth, and surprisingly forgiving. McLaren's advanced proactive chassis control 2 system constantly analyzes road conditions and adjusts suspension settings in milliseconds. This means you don't just drive the car, you experience it. One of the most fascinating things about the 720S is its ability to balance extremes. It's brutally fast yet incredibly refined. It's lightweight yet strong. It's futuristic yet grounded in McLaren's racing past. It pushes you to go faster but still makes you feel confident and in control. It's the type of car that can be driven gently like a Grand Tourer or unleashed like a track weapon, all in the same day. The sound of the McLaren 720S is another story on its own. The roar of the twin-turbo V8 is unmistakable, aggressive yet controlled, like the voice of a beast waiting to be set free. On open Australian roads, when that exhaust note echoes through the landscape, you understand why supercars hold such power over the imaginations of car lovers. But beyond the numbers, the engineering, and the luxury, the McLaren 720S represents something deeper. It's a celebration of human creativity. It's proof of what happens when designers, engineers, and dreamers come together with one goal: to build the ultimate driving machine. It's the kind of car that doesn't just transport you from place to place, it changes the way you see the road, the journey, and even yourself. The 720S became a dream car for many Australians, not simply because it's fast, but because it feels like it belongs on their roads, a perfect match for the country's spirit of adventure, freedom, and exploration. Owning or even experiencing a McLaren 720S is more than just having a supercar, it's being part of a legacy that stretches across racetracks, across oceans, and across generations. And that is the story of the McLaren 720S, a masterpiece born from racing heritage, shaped by innovative engineering, perfected through aerodynamic design, and admired across Australia for its unmatched power, beauty, and driving pleasure. This isn't just a car. This is the McLaren 720S, a supercar that redefines what it means to drive.